Hi there, Lavina Osbourne from Butterfly Wealth Creation, and today is day 7 of my 30-day YouTube video business challenge. Today I am going to be doing a book review for you, but before I do, I just want to mention to you the 29 other great ladies who are taking part of this YouTube video business challenge. You can find out more about them, what they're sharing, their tips, their tricks and their entertaining videos and on at www.30daybusinesschallenge.com. In addition to that, of course, my website is below, which is www.butterflywealthcreation.com, and I'm of course Lavina Osbourne. I think I did say that, but just in case. So this week's book review is going to be on The Rich Dad Advisor's Guide to Investing Gold and Silver by Mike Maloney, which is the #1 selling precious metals investment book. Impressive, wouldn't you say? Decided to do a review on this book because obviously, as some of you may or may not know who's been following me, I am the first lady of gold, and gold is my business. As you can see, Butterfly Wealth Creation is all about creating wealth, preserving it and prospering. So if you enjoyed this book review, then please head over to my bookshop afterwards, and I will put the link below in this YouTube channel, this YouTube video, and that is http bookshop.butterflywealthcreation.com, and you can find that book there and purchase it from there. Okay, so what is it about? Well, Mike Maloney is a precious metals investor, serial entrepreneur. I always like serial entrepreneurs, being an entrepreneur myself. Author and recognised historian of monetary history and economics. So the book is quite self-explanatory in the sense of that it's a guide to investing in gold and silver. And it's everything you need to know now to profit from precious metals. Now, this book was written some time ago, but the facts and the information inside of it, the fundamentals of the book, are still relevant to today. So, why is it relevant? Well, as touched upon, the book is still relevant today, and the reason why it's still relevant today is because we are in unprecedented economic times. We are in a global recession. Inflation is high, interest rates are low, and the value of our currency is devaluing every single day. Gold and silver is real money, and therefore its relevance is that if you want to protect your financial future, if you want to have something to pass on to your family, to your children, to the next generations, then gold and silver investing is one surefire way of doing that. Gold and silver has never had an intrinsic value of 0, whereas the fiat currencies that we have today, be it the yen, the euro, the dollar, the pound, they have an intrinsic value of 0. They have no backing. So on that note, what are the key points of the book? Well, the key points of the book is that, first of all, why we should be buying silver and gold. Cash is trash. That's not to say that you take your cash and throw it in the bin, but cash is basically paper. That's all it is. So therefore, its intrinsic value is 0, as touched upon before. And so because its intrinsic value is 0, it doesn't actually hold any value, just the value that the government of the land gives it. That there will be a move back onto physically backed currency, i.e. the gold standard, and if you're not sure what that is, then just Google it, gold standard. There are different ways that you can invest. The history of gold and silver is money over thousands of years, and I feel this is very important because once you understand what real money is, then you will understand the relevance of this book and investing in gold and silver. So those are the key points I would state. And why should you read it? You should read it because, one, it's great for beginners. So if you're interested in all of this, and you should be, because at the end of the day the economy is based on your money and we all have to deal with money. So it's great for beginners and it's very easy to read, and as touched upon before, it is the #1 best-selling precious metals investment book. So if it's #1, there's a reason for it. In addition to that, if this subject is of interest to you, I'll be holding a webinar next week, Monday the 13th of February, on gold and pensions. This will be at 8 p.m. GMT, and the details is right there. But I will put the live link, in the info box of this YouTube video. So on that note, thank you for your time. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I look forward to sharing more with you this coming week. Bye.